To move funds from CoinStats to Cash App in 2025, start by logging into your CoinStats account and going to the Wallet section. From there, initiate a withdrawal of your funds to a linked external bank account. Next, open Cash App, tap on the Banking tab and select Link Bank to connect the same bank account you used for the withdrawal. Once the bank is linked, tap Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to move from your bank to Cash App and confirm the transaction. Check your Cash App balance to make sure the funds have been added successfully. If transferring directly to a bank doesn't go smoothly, you can use a third-party crypto exchange to convert your crypto to fiat currency. Then transfer that to your linked bank account and add it to Cash App. Always double check that your linked bank account details are correct. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one.